Okay, here's an example of using your phone in a Zoom session in order to add document camera type features. I'm going to go ahead and start a new meeting. This is just like the regular Zoom process. I'll use my personal meeting ID for this one since I have that already in my phone memory. So my Zoom session is just like regular at this point. I'm using my computer audio and my computer speakers or headphones. And then I'll join using the Zoom app on my phone, the same meeting. You don't necessarily have to be logged in to do this. Just have to know the meeting ID. So it should pop up here in just a second. From my phone, you can see that this is my phone video. It's going to ask me to hear others, please join audio, but I don't want that on my phone. I can use the audio and speakers from my computer just fine. So I'm going to cancel that message. Then I'm going to tap on my phone screen and flip the camera view around. So you can see now I have a portable camera. I'm going to hold it horizontally and then point it down at my paper. So you can see I'll just mount this on a stack of books, and now I have this view of my work on a piece of paper. And this is about a foot above, maybe 10 inches above my paper. So I have plenty of room to write, plenty of room to work, and everybody can see what I'm writing. And I don't need any tablet or special device for that. So I can be simultaneously on Zoom. You can see me on this camera, and you can see the work that I'm doing. And students can do this as well. They can join the Zoom session from their phone, and they've got a built-in camera. They don't need an expensive tablet. They don't need an iPad. They can just have access to their work. So this is especially useful in math and physics when we're doing things like derivations and equations and diagrams that can be really tedious to draw with the mouse. So it's a great option for students that do have a phone. Just add the Zoom app to the phone. They can even join only from their phone. If you do have a discussion section, they can just flip their camera back around. Like I could just flip this back up and switch my phone camera back to my regular view. And then, hi, I'm joining class from my phone, and everybody can have their discussion. And you can switch the view back, put it back in your holder. Just again, that can be a simple stack of books, nothing fancy. And then everybody can see the work that they're doing at the same time. So hopefully that's helpful. Maybe find that to be useful this fall.